The waka of Wazobia TV na very kajad one. Oh. It no be small thing at all.
It's been good, it's been bad, it's been happy, it's been sad. It's like an everyday normal happening.
Every day we dey see challenges. Every day we dey laugh. We dey tight face with one another. Even sometimes we dey cry self. But it's okay. We all must work very, very hard and also deal with everybody's wahala.
The story has been a very interesting and a very, very intriguing one.
You no go get any journey where person go begin for this life, we no go get different corners. In other words, the journey no go be straight. But the important thing is to keep the goal when we want reach for inside our mind.
The challenges have been surmounted. We still have a lot that we're going through right now. And I'm very sure that if we have gone through what we went through before now, we definitely will go through this and then come out, stronger.
The day I happy well. Now that day, November 10, 2014, 3 years ago, the day where Wazobia TV don't show for on top television across Nigeria. It be say like I don't born pikin again. After years of planning and preparation, finally, we dey see our hard work on television.
We're the first people in Nigeria to start visual radio. And we were supposed to start that on the 1st of October in 2014. By 5:45 thereabouts, we got the first signal that went live on Star Times and everybody shouted and we screamed. We were all on our feet for like 1 week. We didn't go home. We were battling this for a long time and finally, true to how we put it, we were lucky enough to go live on that October 1st in 2014. And since then, it's been the same learning process.
We've come a long way. Obviously, Wazobia TV has become a phenomenon. People know us now, people watch us. Our programming is improving by the day, and to a very large extent, we have remained very competitive when it comes to screens and the function of the eyeballs. People are watching us. And so I see us as emerging, and in another few months, in another few years, I see us as one of, or second to none.
I feel accomplished when I look on air and I see some good programs, I see some good people on air, I see the impact that we're making on people's life out there. So it's been refreshing, it's been interesting, and so far so good. I think we've been doing a great job.
But in all, at the end, it is a very exciting and beautiful journey.
To all the staff here, I say congratulations so far, and let's keep on reaching for the clouds, reaching for the skies.
I just want to use this opportunity to wish Wazobia TV
a wonderful anniversary.
A happy anniversary.
Better years to come.
Everyone way there out there, I want to say one thing. A very big thank you for watching us. Please, spread the word. Tell your family, tell your mama, tell your papa, tell your pikin, tell your friends, even your enemy self. Watch Wazobia TV. Stay tuned. We are coming up with confirmed shows, Kajad programming, new series, lots of fun. Don't change that dial. Stay tuned. Wazobia for life.